Warm greetings to all. Myself Bharghava, an IT professional. My wife Veena, son Satvik and daughter Aditi. Couple of weeks back, and we had been settling down from the last 2 weeks, and we would now like to welcome all our guests. Interior designer Magnon. So it all happened with one review we saw on one of the WhatsApp group of Magnon Interiors. So quite impressed with some of the photographs. So then we went to the Magnon Interior office in Karnataka. Working with all the designers in Magnon, the way they gave a lot of ideas, the way they took the minute details into consideration was really great.
Working with Magnon, and the experience was good, and we got a very nice ambience and everything like what we wanted. So thanks to Magnon team.
My favorite place is Pooja Unit. So took special interest in getting the collapsible door, and we also were very particular in choosing the right marble for the interior part of the puja room.
I just love my room, like it's nice and spacious. I can practice my instruments there, and it's just nice to have a private room on my own.
have the wonderful house with all the great ambience from Magnon. Definitely, we would recommend Magnon, and in fact, we have already posted a review on Google as well, and also I have posted reviews in the Crockery Falcon City groups as well, with Falcon's great work which has been done so far.